Hello, everyone. Let me check if my mic's working. Yeah, it should be good. Okay, hello, and welcome to a new video. I just wanted to speak about why this recent rise in GameStop, the GameStop stock, of course, is actually probably bullish for the crypto market. Now, this is not 100% certain, but here's my logic. Basically, we've had this crazy spike. I mean, from a few weeks ago from $11, even $10 at the low, all the way up to $65. And let's check, maybe it was even more. Yeah, $80, and it was a pre-market, I think, pre-market trading session. Okay, now why is this important? Because this can be used as a signal that retail investors like me and you, just regular people, are getting back into the market. Okay, so this was the massive rise in GameStop a while ago. This was when mass retail came in to get rid of everyone that was shorting GameStop. And that, let's try to compare it with Bitcoin. I actually haven't done this, so it might not correlate well, but that was 129, 2021. 129, 2021. 129, let's check. 129, 2021. Okay, so it's January 29. Okay, yeah, so look at this. It was about here. Look what happens. Massive boom from Bitcoin then on. Now why? Well, the idea that I have is that the investors are more retail like us, and so they just continue buying. And that really is what starts a bull run. That's why coins like Dogecoin ran all a while back. This was all just retail investors, basically people like you and me who wanted the memes, and they just bought this coin for basically no reason. Basically, that's the time when everything becomes stupid and nothing really makes sense. But we kind of just boom insanely, and then eventually we come down insanely, right? Like we obviously, if you bought anywhere here, you are screwed. Your whole bag holding for so long, and very sharp downtrends. I mean, look, 40% in a week down. Um, so yeah, basically the line of thinking is with the GameStop and the AMC booming, it just signals that retail is also, these are bad because they had a stock split, I think. Yeah, they did. 300. Never reached that price from what I remember. But basically, because of the fact that retail is coming back in, it could be bullish for um, things like Bitcoin, especially when you consider that lots of these people are buying on Robinhood. And Robinhood Exchange, last time this happened, last time GME, where is it? Let's go back. Last time I had that massive run up, what they actually did, they prevented anyone from buying GameStop stock. So they took the buy button away. If you already own shares, you could sell, but you could not buy anymore. Now that's very interesting. If they do that again, what do you think will happen? What are they going to put their money into? Well, yeah, they'd put it into AMC if that's allowed. They might put it into some other of the Wall Street meme, I guess you would say meme stocks. Um, but another option, and this is something that the buy button can't be taken away from, is crypto. So that's kind of the idea that I have here. Now, from this perspective, we really need Bitcoin to reclaim 65K. And once we do, I mean, that should be reclaiming the daily trend. Yeah, it would be. Yeah, if we break above this high, and more particularly this high, then we should be good for a bit higher with the daily trend. But if we continue down, um, and we break below this low, of course the downtrend continues, and then we'll probably eventually break below that low. So yeah, I guess that's that. And yeah, I'm really hoping retail, mass retail, like loads of people will come into the market soon. That's when the fun begins. That's when you guys really have to take advantage. Like, yeah, you have to really take advantage of those moments because they're rare and you can make a lot of money. But you also have to know what you're doing. You have to make sure that you know what you're doing so that you obviously don't get screwed and you don't like buy Doge here, or even buying Doge here. is was still an insanely bad price to buy. You had basically a week where you were able to get out above your buy price and then crash down from there, and you would be bag holding. Not bag holding a ton, but like minus 50%. You'd never want to get in that situation. So this is when you need your systems in place and you need a strategy and you need to capitalize. So yeah, happy trading and good luck once mass retail comes in.